Well, hi friend. My room tour. You may come in. Come in. So, first things first, when everyone comes in here, the first thing they see is the mirror. And me and my roommate planned on putting like papers where our friends and loved ones, okay, friends, can write these sweet little messages so that, you know, every morning as we leave, we get to see them powerful, inspiring, a bit funny messages our friends leave us. So yeah, and then down here we just have our utensils and some detergents. Pretty much a little pantry, let's just call it that. And then here's a quick 360 of my room. So that was a quick 360 of my room. So the rooms here are, you get to share it with the person. So I have a lovely roommate. We'll do a roommate tag coming soon. But now going to my space, this is my wardrobe. And this is my desk where all the planning and studying and world domination happens. I customized it by putting this cover, you can say, with some little, well, pretty much my accessories and my books and the like. And yeah, I added more personalized touches of pictures of my family, my loved ones, with some nice wall hangings. And here's my planner. It's next to the window. Here's some, again, DIY decor. We just printed out these cute quotes and just, so that's pretty much my room. This is my roommate's side. And since she's not here, that's her side. Let's respect that. This is where we hang our keys. And yeah, the rooms are pretty neat, simple, and conducive. So thank you so much for stopping by my room. I'll see you